want to become a successful affiliate marketer? If yes, you've come to the right spot because I've put up a comprehensive step-by-step tutorial that includes tried and true strategies for making money with Clickbank affiliate marketing. One of the most well-liked methods of earning money online is affiliate marketing. You simply can't avoid affiliate marketing, whether you're a digital nomad, a stay-at-home person, or someone searching for a simple and lucrative side hustle. Clickbank is one of the biggest affiliate networks around. So what is Clickbank? One of the largest affiliate networks in the world, Clickbank is 100% legit. The platform connects people who want to sell their items and others who want to advertise them in order to make money through sales commissions. You're not required to make any minimum sales in order to use the Clickbank marketplace. The products are usually entertainment, education, business, beauty, travel, sports, cooking, and even parenting. They could both be actual things or digital ones. With more than 4,000 products, you should without a doubt find something you want to market. How to make money on Clickbank. Step 1. Just simply register. Visit clickbank.com and select the Start Here blue button. You can register for free at any moment and you can always erase your account. To personalize your account, you need to respond to a few straightforward personal questions. Step 2. Pick a product. You need to visit the marketplace after creating your account and use the menu on the left to filter the categories you're interested in. The popular products now are diets, weight loss, dietary supplements, survival, dental health, especially women's health, travel, and sports. Step 3. Get your affiliate link. Now all you have to do is click on the blue promote button and generate hop link to copy your unique affiliate link. When someone wants to purchase the item, they need to click on this link. Step 4. Promote your link. It's now time to advertise the product you've chosen. There are numerous approaches to accomplish this, and I'll list the most well-liked ones for you. Here's a few metrics to consider. First, a product's gravity score lets you know how well-liked it is. More people like you if your score is higher, but it also means that there'll be more competition. So it's advised that you aim for a gravity score between 15 and 70 if you're a beginner. Second, you may find out how much money customers typically make when selling a product for the first time by looking at the initial dollar conversion value without any revenue from subscriptions or rebills. Third, if the offer contains recurring products such as memberships and subscriptions, recurring rebills signifies that this is the amount you can earn for each rebill payment. And fourth, the phrase average money conversion reveals the typical earnings for each conversion. It includes all initial sales, upsells, and rebills earnings. If you're receiving value from this content, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell and we'll keep the videos coming. Let us know what videos you'd like to see. Leave your comments below. Now let's get back to how to promote your link. First, use the power of social media. You could easily promote your stuff on your channels if you enjoy using Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. You might either build new profiles that are dedicated to talking only about the market your product is in, or utilize your personal accounts to advertise them to your family and friends. Start your own blog. Starting a blog is incredibly simple and free. Use only free tools like Webflow or WordPress.org. You could quickly customize these hundreds of free templates using drag and drop. With these tools, practically anyone can set up a website in a matter of minutes. You could choose the free Webflow plan, for instance, and make no payments. After registering, you can begin creating your blog. You can easily use the details and graphics that are available on the Clickbank affiliate page for your product. As it's a blog, you should consistently add fresh blog content. In our illustration, those would be blog postings on flexibility, joints, the spine, and muscle power. Individuals visit your blog to read the posts, and they may also use the affiliate link you've provided to purchase the goods. Next, we can use email marketing. Email marketing is still very effective. You may, for instance, gather the email addresses of your blog's readers or the users who follow you on social media. You're currently updating them on the subject and advertising your affiliate link in regular emails to them. Just be careful not to bombard your audience and instead offer genuine, helpful content before including your link. Lastly, you could start a YouTube channel or a podcast. Nowadays, fewer people read as frequently as they once did. Instead, they watch YouTube videos or listen to podcasts to learn new facts. So these platforms are a fantastic method to get in front of hundreds or thousands of potential customers. Although it could take some time to build up enough traffic to your YouTube channel or podcast, you could start both for nothing. All you need to do is make a brief mention of your affiliate products in your videos or audio and include a link in the description boxes. After your traffic grows, there's a good probability that customers may purchase your goods, allowing you to generate passive money. Step 5. Get traffic to your affiliate link. The term traffic is a general one used to describe the number of users or site visitors in the context of internet marketing. The two components of any effective online marketing campaign are conversion and traffic. First, people travel where you want them to. Second, they convert from prospects to customers through conversion. Because of this, generating traffic is crucial. Step 6. Get paid. You'll automatically receive a commission if someone clicks on the link and purchases the item. You may check your reporting dashboard whenever you log into your Clickbank account to see how many clicks you've gotten and how much money you've made so far. Available payment methods are checks, direct deposit, and direct wire to your bank. Depending on the option you select, you could be paid once per week or twice per month. The bare minimum is $10. When you reach that amount, the money is instantly paid to you. Nothing needs to be done by you. Becoming an affiliate has the benefit of giving you one task to concentrate on: driving traffic to another person's sales page. You can generate money without worrying about conversions as long as you choose a high converting item and obtain the correct visitors. Here are some of the best free traffic sources you can use. Number 1. Through social media. Social media posts, Facebook groups, YouTube videos, Pinterest pins, tweets, LinkedIn posts, Reddit threads, Instagram stories, and more are excellent free sources of traffic. It can be challenging to choose from the various social media platforms where you can acquire free exposure at times. My recommendation is to start with Facebook and YouTube if you're unsure. Add LinkedIn to the mix if you do anything where you're selling to businesses or professionals. Consider using Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok if you're marketing to millennials or younger users. You could reach your desired audience by creating content for social media networks, and in many situations, you can publish affiliate links there directly. Number 2. Through Google search. You can use Google search as one of the primary free sources of traffic by creating an affiliate website or blog. You can locate both informative and promotional keywords for the affiliate items you wish to market when you conduct keyword research. You'll have a hard time acquiring enough organic visitors in a big area like weight loss to rely on it for your business. This strategy works much better for narrow or specialized subjects, yet having a home base for your business can still be beneficial, and any organic traffic you receive for free is a welcome perk. Number 3. Through email. Email marketing is a terrific additional free traffic source. The majority of people are okay with the occasional pitch, provided you concentrate on providing amazing value in your emails. Your audience is aware that joining your email list automatically entails that they'll occasionally be marketed to. The difficulty with email marketing is creating the initial list. Naturally, paid advertisements are really helpful in this situation, but if you merely want to do it for free, many marketers build their list with blogs that have opt-in forms. A closed Facebook group in your niche is a fantastic free choice if you don't have your own website. You could also try to include the subscribe link in the description of your YouTube videos. Here are some of the best paid traffic sources you can use. Facebook ads. Facebook continues to be the holy grail of paid advertisements, but it's not without its share of problems, such as your ads management account being closed down or your ad being rejected. Media buyers who spend 6 and 7 figures have also experienced this. On the plus side, Facebook has a sizable user base, a wealth of data, cutting-edge AI, and effective tracking capabilities via the pixel. You could micro-target a group of individuals with a very particular offer using Facebook advertising. Setting up an affiliate bridge page to direct your cold Facebook traffic is also rather prevalent these days. Next are native ads. For good reason, native ad networks like Taboola and Outbrain have been very popular in recent years. They offer many of the advantages of a platform like Facebook without many drawbacks. So what exactly are native ads? A display advertisement that blends in with the other content on a website is known as a native advertisement. A user is directed to your content after clicking it. You have more freedom to choose your messaging, creative, and landing page because native advertisements appear on well-known websites rather than a dominant social media network like Facebook. It's also a simple way for newcomers to enter the world of media buying. Another source is YouTube ads. Building your YouTube channel or growing your email list with a dedicated following is easy with YouTube advertising. You should experiment with many ad formats available on YouTube to find the one that works best for you. Make sure your messaging for pre-roll advertisements is front-loaded and has a 5-second hook. Another excellent choice is discovery advertisements. They can be effective once you determine which of your videos viewers are watching the most. Then, to increase your audience, see which of your videos do the best and pay to appear in relevant search results to create subscriber magnets. Now, how much money or profits do you expect from Clickbank? This depends on a variety of variables, including the kind of product you choose and how effective you are at marketing it. If your aim is to earn $1,000 per month and you choose a product that pays a $25 commission, for instance, you'll need to sell 40 things per month to meet your target. But if you choose a product that pays $125 for each sale, you just need to make 8 sales per month to earn $1,000. These figures demonstrate that there are countless opportunities and that affiliate marketing may be a successful internet business. Whether you're looking for a part-time job or full-time income, Clickbank can help you earn a wonderful living. So that wraps up the step-by-step tutorial on how to use Clickbank as an affiliate. I hope you received value from this video. If so, like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Please share this video with your like-minded friends. Till next time.